So we're finally getting some below 0 days. It's been actually pretty warm here for December the past few days, but I figure what a better day to start a bunch of shit that has no business being started and for no fucking reason at all. Let me take my fancy snow brush here and
rich motherfucker
clear this fucking thing off. Oh, my hand's getting cold. Oh, I did this beautiful headlight install yesterday, just right to the loader arms, because this tractor will never have a loader on it again. But they work, and yeah, they do what they need to. I just wired straight to the battery to a switch into both lights. Does what it needs to. Anyway, get that battery hooked up. They're not very bright because they're 12-volt lights on a 6-volt system. But yeah, I'm going to turn the fuel on here and get her going. This tractor does leak a little bit of fuel, but I bet you it'll start anyway. It's out of gear. Oh, seat. I got no seat on this fucking thing, so it's always covered in snow. The key is kind of big too. Fucks. Running. The old 6-volt will pretty well start on a stone dead battery, like, can't fucking believe it. Show off the lights. So I got 2 on the front set up. Plan is to I'm gonna get 1 more for the back. I'm gonna get 1 or 2 more and put them on the back for the blower, because I'm gonna be blowing snow with this tractor this winter. Hood just fell down. Yeah, I'm gonna be blowing snow with this tractor for the winter, and I'd like to have some rear lights hooked up too, because all I have is fronts right now, because I had another one, but it ended up, it didn't work. I thought it did, it was brand new, but I don't know, maybe it got dropped or something and something broke, I don't know. Anyway, the first one went off without a hitch. May as well fire up the old Tahoe too. While I'm at it, I did a water pump on it 2 weekends ago, and I didn't get any footage of it, but now at least it's holding coolant and all that, so that's a plus. This truck, you got to turn it over a little bit, and then cycle the key, and then turn it over again, and it'll start. And it just runs like the fucking top. This fucking thing drives me nuts, that stupid freaking buzzer. Like, at least the fucking newer Chevys have a ding. Like, this one's just a straight fucking... Fuck, it drives me nuts. That's probably the only thing I don't like about this truck. Plus, the best thing about it is, it's got the fucking dick warmer vent. Mint. It's got the old school square exhaust tip too, which is fucking mint. Barn doors on the back. Fuck yeah. I'm just gonna do a quick battery delete on this old Tahoe here, and that's not even fucking tight. Perfect. Just peel that off of there. Undo this one. I don't know why it has a top post on the positive and a side post on the negative, but that's why I always buy batteries with both. Never fuck around again. But yeah, I'm gonna take this over to the shop for the next one. Now here's the real test to see if this thing will fucking start, this piece of shit IDI, if it'll start at like 0 degrees with no friggin' ether or boost.
wrong.
And to be honest, I have my doubts. I don't know, this is the coldest it's been since I've had this truck. Did a hood delete to do the wiper motor, and right now it's got an air cleaner delete as well. Race truck. And let's see what happens. Fucking move all this shit.
Where's the clearing stick?
Just on the hood there, sweetie.
Grinders and wiper arms and fucking empty fucking bush cases and What else do we have in here? Fucking just all kinds of shit. There's the keys for it. Oh god. Fuck, I got no seats in here. I'm just hanging out on the floor. Just fucking get my nice little Fred Flintstone footrest there. Oh yeah, here's some glow plug action. We'll see what happens. The fuel filter should help because it was really hard starting with the air leak in the fuel filter, but this should really help. See if I can cycle the glow plugs one more time. Okay, let's try her. Oh yeah, I forgot it's a button. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ, that's greasy. She wants to go though. Fuck, she must have air getting in somewhere then. That's what it did before I changed the fuel filter. It would start, it would run out the fuel that's in the injection lines and the pump, and then that was it, it would die. So I don't know, I'm just gonna keep fucking with it here. So I've added a third battery to the equation here. Let's see what happens now. Glow plugs one more time and see what happens. I believe the glow plugs work in this truck. I think the relay's fucked though. You'll hear it start clicking in a second. Pump the fuck out of it. No dice. I guess I'm gonna have to boost it with the charger. I just didn't want to use it. It's tied up on another battery, but put the pause on that and then fucking try again. So I've had the batteries charging for like a solid 10 minutes here. Now I'm gonna set you up on the old oil pail tripod for the old cold start here. Crank her up another notch on the charger here. Here's high power. All the friggin' amps. Ah. That's weird. Oh, I just had her on a power bar and it killed it. The draw just killed her. Well, I'll let her charge for another little bit and try her again.
Three hours later.
Put the fucking surge protector on the power bar again. I'm gonna have to figure out another solution here because this fucking shop doesn't have any the way that I don't own this shop, I just rent it, and the way the guys got all the electrical set up isn't the greatest. Like, I can't have a compressor and heater going at the same time or it starts tripping breakers. Try again here. Fucking take whatever the fuck this is. I can't even remember now. Take 5 or something. I don't know. Goddamn truck. Just a snotty old bitch. Fuck. Well, that'll be all for today's video. That was a real bitch to get going. I should have just fucking hit her with a sniff of ether in the first place. Yeah, fuck it anyway. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hopefully there'll be some more videos coming down the pipeline soon.